know me, you know I can never justify that all I have is age.
My name is Suryakant. I play for a band called Peter Cat Recording Company.
To bring me that
Peter Cat started from like college. We guys were all in the same place.
When I finished my college, so right after that, Suryakant came from United States, and we decided to just jam out a few songs that he had made there.
I met these guys for the first time at their album launch. When their fourth member left, they were looking for a guy, so they asked me to join, that's it.
If I had to define our music, I would say these are melodramatic pop songs.
Varied towards swing, retro swing, and it bordered into some experimental space, gelling well with the idea of like futurism.
The sound of the band is a lot of what people consider a fuzzy like sound or like a more distorted sound. Is a combination of like running an old organ, like a 70s organ, through like an amp, which people generally didn't do at that point in time. And that gave us like a really fresh like sound.
My name is Avinash, I'm with Plot and I'm one half of it, and my responsibility is working on the visuals.
My name is Gaurav, and I do the music and all sound related things in Plot.
Well, we started about 7 years back. We met through a common friend, and the initial idea was just to experiment with sound and visuals. And over the years, we sort of gathered a lot more.
So Rohan and Suryakant came to us with Head in the Clouds sort of concept. We've always wanted to have a larger collaboration with an entire band.
So in this sort of opportunity came up with Budweiser to sort of work with them on a project like this. Both Gaurav and me are pretty excited.
I think it's interesting that we're combining like a band and an electronic music act.
I mean, the chance to work with PCRC in a very close collaborative level is quite exciting. I definitely consider them one of the expressionist sort of bands out there in India right now.
We and Gaurav are obviously quite forward-thinking like individuals, far more than a lot of people I've met. They're always ahead of the curve. I think integrating them into the show was like a good idea because I think they would offer a lot of experience.
So we're trying to do something really special and different, and we're quite excited about it.
So we've been working on the show for a while. You know, we're taking cues from here and there. We've been watching a lot of sci-fi.
The general idea where we started was this idea of space voyage, and the idea was to think about this dystopian spacecraft that's you know, going towards its doom, and this sort of a ballroom atmosphere inside that.
Working on a couple of elements like making a star field, maybe using LED screens or an actual analog device. Stuff like that, you know, interestingly put, can easily cheat a space into believing that you're actually in outer space.
Science fiction seemed like a new challenge. It just seemed like a new like frontier. And I think that's the point of the show, is to tackle that concept and see how we can integrate a lot of new ideas into it and introduce a new mood or maybe a new type of show to an Indian audience.
How do you envision the show flow? What do we begin with? What are we going towards?
As of now, we have this black cube. Okay. It's going to be in a large
space,
exactly.
Which is 50 feet high,
yeah,
at least.
Ideally.
Exactly. There's an entrance where people will basically be entering through that little tunnel.
Through some of my contacts, we came in touch with Budweiser, and these guys were actually looking to support such endeavors.
I think it's a great opportunity for us to really build something really unique, and we're really hoping that once it comes through, we would be able to tour with it around India.
So it's extremely exciting and encouraging that Budweiser is kind of giving us sort of a free hand. I mean, I guess they see the potential in the idea. It's nice that way, and they're giving it a good shot. And I really hope that the show goes off really well, and that they do, obviously, they see the potential of just letting people sometimes execute their visions and ideas.